Hi guys, welcome back to the Resinator. Today's video is sponsored by IntoResin, and they have very kindly sent me this beautiful handmade diamond octopus to try. So it's just gonna be a simple pour. Everything's stuck to this. It's just going to be a simple pour with transparent colour, just to see how it casts and just to basically showcase the mould. We don't want anything too spectacular because it's all about the mould. So let's move this over. I have already mixed my resin. I'm using mould resin today, and the colours I'm going to go with, I think, are deep water and black diamond, and these are transparent pigments from Create and Bloom. So let's start with, now do I want the head black diamond and the legs? No, let's do the head in the blue, I think. So let's grab myself a stick and we're going to give this a mix. And in we go. Look at that colour, that is just stunning. Now this resin has been through the debubbling machine. There we go. I don't think I'm going to need a huge amount of the black diamond, so I'm going to split it out of my larger cup, because we can easily add to it if we need to. But also, if I'm pouring in the legs, it's easier with a smaller cup. So there is method in my madness, honest. This turns out a really gorgeous smoky grey. I think I want a little bit more in there though. Let's get a clean stick. Never double dip your stick. There we go. So a nice smoky grey. Let's bring the mould in. Now I'm going to start off gradually, and as I'm going to didn't want to do that, never mind. I'm just going to prod in and out gently around the inside, because where all these facets are, if you do have any bubbles, that is where they'll stick and then they'll show on the piece on the other side. So I'm just going around with a micro brush, loosening them up so they come up to the top, and then we'll give it a spray with alcohol and then continue. It's a good job I don't mind if the colours mix, isn't it? Now these colours are either going to look really nice together or it's just going to look a big mess. Hopefully they'll look nice. So I'm going to start pouring the legs with the black diamond and letting that flow down into the head. Because the head's not completely full. Oh, goodness sake. I'm having a mare today. Absolute mare. Let's clean some of that up. Does not want to pour out of this cup at all. Clearly it was just me. I might put a little drop of the blue in each one of these legs because I've got one leg that's very obviously blue and that's not really what I wanted, but one leg like that is going to look stupid. So let's just put a little bit of blue in each leg. Ever had one of those days? Well, clearly I'm having one today. Okay, hopefully that'll stop it from looking quite as wonky with one blue leg. So, oh no, I've missed one. Pop a bit in there. I'm just going to help this along a little bit to make sure that it's right in the ends of the tentacles. I think this leg needs a little bit more in. And I think we might be good to go. Okay, I think we are good to go. Let's give it a little spritz. And I'll see you back for the demold. This is all ready to demold now, so let's loosen it off. Still a tiny bit bendy, but it's still enough to be demolded. While I'm fighting with this, go and have a look at IntoResin.com. Their moulds are gorgeous. And also, if there's anything you fancy, I've got a discount code which is Resinator 20. Wow. That is stunning. That is absolutely gorgeous. That blue looks fabulous in there, and I bet you it would look gorgeous as just plain black or with no colour at all. That is gorgeous. There's a tiny little bit of overpour in places which will just trim off. There's a little bit there which will probably just snap off once it's completely cured. But that is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Let's bring it up. How pretty is that? That is so cool. It's just really, really pretty, so sparkly. So there we go. Thank you very, very much to IntoResin for sending me this mould to try out. Don't forget, I've got the discount code, which is Resinator 20. And if you like what I'm doing, please pop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. It's a couple of little clicks, it's free, and it really helps me grow the channel. Links to everything that I've used in this project will be down in the description, along with links to my Amazon wish list, to buy me a coffee, and the super thanks button. Everything that comes in from those goes straight back into the channel. There's also buttons down there to join the channel as a member. So if you feel like supporting the channel in that way, please do go and have a look. Thank you to all of my members and subscribers. I really appreciate every single one of you. And all that's left to say is thank you, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye.